taking a walk along our coastal side, down our local sea track to here. See you on the other side.
On the other side.
Alright.
Maybe this is what happens when people pollute. We have dead creatures and we have bottles that maybe have been here over a decade.
Be careful, please.
Water bottles, mostly water bottles without scents, plastics. Today I found a lot of rubbish, a lot of cans, a glass bottle, and some cloths, pieces of material on the side of the road, and yeah.
It's important to pick up rubbish around us because so our sea creatures won't get hurt. My opinion. Keeping our reef clean and our seas clean saves our sea creatures and also makes our island look clean.
Endanger the fish.
Marine life.
They might mistake it for food. Our plastic rubbish.
We could be eating that fish. Thank you.
We save the fish for future generation.
bebe, uotolo. Jatko Rita! Kaple!